Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing a full cover tips pop-off method using builder gel. I'm really excited to be able to record this for you. I've been trying to figure out something that I could do to make this method work that I've been seeing all over Facebook, but can't seem to find the right tips and the right products to use to actually get this to work properly. After you've prepped your nails, you're going to want to put a base gel on and then put that into the light for 60 seconds. I'm using the Makartt Pink and Bling Polygel base coat, came in that kit. I'm using full cover plastic tips that I found on Amazon, and then I'm also using this cuticle stick that I found on Amazon. I'm just going to coat the inside of this nail, and then I'm going to fill the nail up with IBD Builder Gel. And then once I do that, get it to the texture that I like, then I'm going to put the glitter inside of the nail just around the tip. You're not going to want to put it towards the cuticle area because you're going to still need that light to penetrate through the nail so it can cure onto your nail properly. Once I apply that to my nail, I'm going to cure it in my Kira Sky little LED lamp that I got in the Kira Sky Jelly Tips kit, and I'm going to cure that for 60 seconds. I'm taking a pair of tweezers now and I'm going to get underneath the edge a little bit, and then I just pop it right off. I didn't have to struggle. I didn't use a screwdriver or anything crazy. I didn't tear anything up. It was so easy. It just popped right off.
Does it only control you? Let me in, I'll help you out. I won't lose you this time. Can I feel your kryptonite? Can I feel your kryptonite? You think you're too far, but I'm where you are, you know. I said won't leave your side. They left you bare, but I'm begging you, stare in my eyes for you. Yeah, I took my life, and I'm not here to hear you say you're fine. I can take the pain you hold inside. I wanna know, wanna see it. Can I feel your kryptonite? Can't get this off my mind. Does it only control you? Let me in, I'll help you out. I won't lose you this time. Can I feel your kryptonite? Can I feel your kryptonite? I wanna know, wanna see it. Can I feel your kryptonite? Hear you say you're fine. I wanna know, wanna see.
Getting it a little bit closer so you can see, you just take the tweezers, stick it right under the edge there, and you pop it right off. The nail is in perfect condition. You can definitely use this tip again. The only thing you really have to do is wipe it off with alcohol because it is a little bit sticky from all of the gel. And then I cut them down to the length that I wanted, and I'm going to clear cap them with the gel just to give it a little bit more strength. After that, I filed the edges and now I'm going in with my cuticle bit and cleaning up around the cuticle and make that flush to the nail. And after that, I'm just going to put on a top coat and call it a day. This was super easy. I did this in like 30 minutes or less, maybe. A little bit longer because I was recording it, but this is my non-dominant hand. It was so easy to do. And I can use these nail tips again. Like I don't have to keep buying nail tips. With gel tips, you know, they cure onto your nails, so you can't use them again. So I don't know, I just kind of thought this is a way you could save money once you kind of have nail tips that fit your nails. You don't have to go back and size them every time you go do your nails. So I don't know, let me know if you thought this was helpful at all. I'm going to try to use it with Polygel and also acrylic to see if it's universal, if I could do it with all of those different kinds of, you know, nail products. So yeah, let me know what you guys think.
You think you're too far, but I'm where you are, you know. I said won't leave your side. They left you bare, but I'm begging you, stare in my eyes for you. Yeah, I give my life. And I'm not here to hear you say you're fine. I can take the pain you hold inside. I wanna know, wanna see it.
After applying my cuticle oil, rubbing that in, we are all done. If you found this helpful at all, please consider subscribing, and I really hope to see you in my next one. Bye!